Is Medicare on your radar? Perhaps you are about to turn 65 or are past 65 and currently working and are about to leave your employer. If this rings true, then this is an extremely important announcement and invitation for you. The date and time is Wednesday, June 22nd at 6 p.m. The event is being held nearby at Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue located at 21799 Katy Freeway in Katy. This invitation is not coming from a professional athlete, Hollywood actor, a paid spokesperson, or from someone located thousands of miles away at an outbound call center. This invitation is coming from Paul Miller, a licensed agent and your neighbor right here in Fort Bend County. This is an educational-only gathering. We have limited space available. Please visit our website to register or call us at our Sugar Land office at 281-982-0983. Come to the workshop with your questions and enjoy some delicious Rudy's barbecue too. This is too important to miss. Call now, 281-982-0983.